Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get Unlinked to your Firestick as well as the best code to use inside that app. Unlinked is an application that you can use to get loads of applications to your Firestick which are not available in the official Amazon app stores. There are all kinds of movie apps, TV shows, live TV players, IPTV, and so on. In other words, it's going to allow you to jailbreak your Fire TV. I just had to blur out my screen right here because YouTube doesn't allow me to show you the exact applications available inside that app store. But in your case, of course, it's not going to be blurry. So now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get Unlinked to your device. First of all, you have to get an app called Downloader. You can actually get it for free from the official Amazon App Store. To do so, just go to search on your device and here in the search bar, start typing Downloader. As you can see, Downloader already popped out for us at the bottom, so there was even no need to enter the whole name of the app. We click on Downloader, and that's the app which you need to get to your device. But after you get Downloader, it's not over yet. We still have to set it up. So to set up Downloader, we gotta go to Settings. Here we are, open them, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Here it is. Here you'll have to enable developer options on your device, but on some Fire Sticks and especially on the new Fire Sticks, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case, do not worry, it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times, and do it fast, so let's do it. As you can see, now at the bottom, for me it says, no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which just appeared right here. So we open them, make sure to enable ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps. From here, locate Downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally let's go to the list of apps on your device. There it is, open it. And here you'll find a loader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using the loader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. We got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use, and they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say we will connect to Germany right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means nobody can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now with a camera of your phone. It works the same way and it's also going to give you the same deal for NordVPN. And now finally let's use Downloader safely. So we gotta open the Downloader application. There it is, open it. Here on the left side menu, make sure to click on Home and not on Browser. So once again, you gotta click on Home, and here in that search bar, we'll need to enter a link, which is going to be unlinked.link. So let's enter it together. Once again, it's unlinked. Dot link. Here we go, you can see the whole link on your screen right now. Make sure to enter it exactly as you see and do not make any mistakes, because obviously if you make a mistake, the link is not going to work. Then you have to click on Go, and while the website is loading, Make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Firesticks, as well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot, and this way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. Then what you also have to do is scroll down a bit until you see that download APK Android button. We gotta click on it, and in a couple of moments the download of Unlinked is going to start. Then click on install and wait until Unlinked is installed to your Firestick. After that, don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because here we'll have an option to delete the installation file, as we don't need it anymore on our device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way we get rid of unnecessary files from your Firestick and save you some free space on your device. And that's really important, because you don't really have too much of free space on your device anyway. Then we'll have to go to settings once again. Here we are, open them. Go to My Fire TV, to the developer options, install unknown apps, and this time we have to turn that option for Unlinked as well, because we'll be using Unlinked to download other applications. Then finally, let's go to the list of apps on your device. There it is. Scroll down to the bottom and there you'll find Unlinked, which we just installed. Now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way, Unlinked is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore is going to be super easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble. Once again, you can use the link below the video or just go to topvpnoffer.com to get 3 months of NordVPN for free. Then finally, let's open the Unlinked application. Here we'll have to click on the Add a New Library button, and there we'll be entering the codes. The first code is going to be 67664537. So once again, it's 67664537. Then we have to click on Next, and in a couple of moments the library is going to open for you. I just had to blur out my screen because YouTube doesn't allow me to show you the exact applications available in the App Store. But in your case, of course, it's not going to be blurry. But still, I can describe to you what kind of apps you are going to find in here. So there will be quite a bunch of different adult applications, if you know what I mean. Then anime and comics, different app stores, so you could further jailbreak your Firesticks, VPNs, code-related stuff, IPTV players, live TV players, media players, even music applications or music players, then official Amazon apps, all kinds of tools and utility applications for your Firestick, movies and TV shows, and even a bunch of different web browsers for your Firestick. So that's a pretty decent app store. Now let's go back so I could show you even more codes of today. So click on the back button on your remote, and then click on the Add a New Library. The second code is going to be everything as a word. Yep. So let's enter everything. Here we go. Yep, just enter everything as a word, then click on next and wait until it loads for you. Here you'll find different IPTV players, adult applications, alternative app stores, code-related stuff, live TV players and live TV channels, then a bunch of different movie and TV shows applications, recommended apps, utility applications, all kinds of web browsers for your Firestick, tools, and file managers. So that's also a pretty decent app store. Now let's go back so I could show you a couple more codes. The next code is going to be Firestick, yep, as a word, so just enter Firestick. Here we go, just enter it as a word, click on next, wait until it loads for you, and here you'll find all kinds of official Amazon apps, then movie applications, adult applications, utility apps, code stuff, live TV players, live TV channels, live sports apps, media players for your Firestick, all kinds of movie and TV shows applications. All of them are updated and should work fine on pretty much any device, and of course a couple of sports applications for your Firestick. So that's one of my favorite codes, for the Unlinked application, and I'm sure you are going to like it as well. And now let's go back so I could show you the last code of the day. It's going to be E, B, 2, E, 4, A, 4, C. So once again, the code is EB2E4A4C. Then click on Next. And this app store is not too big, but you'll find some web browsers, movie applications, educational apps, documentary movie applications, a couple of adult apps, VPNs, file management applications, speed testers, and so on. So this library also might be quite helpful for you. And that's it. Today you learned about the best codes which you can use in the Unlinked on your Firestick. Enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.